Treatment Center is serving the Sacramento area. Dina Kupfer is there live this morning to show us some of the resources that they offer there and the services they offer. Hey, Dina.
That's right. Yes. Good morning to you. So this is actually a wonderful spot that's only been up and running for about 7 months. And so we just want to make sure the community is aware of this treatment center and what they have to offer. And it's really a remarkable service for our community. So we have Anna, who is the program director and again, this is RC Alcohol and Drug Treatment Center. So let's talk about what is really embodied in that name and what you do with the programs here.
So more like we put RC Treatment Center is because it's in Rancho Cordova, but also as to stand for recovery. Yeah, because there's so much you want to say, and it's such a little to say. That's why we said RC Alcohol and Drug Treatment Center. So it will stand for Recovery Alcohol and Drug Treatment Center. So
okay, so this is really a multi-pronged process here. So this is their space in Rancho Cordova, and this is actually a home that's kind of been turned into an office space as well as a center for people to come and stay, kind of on like a short-term basis. And you have a couple of different staff members. So what all gets done within these walls?
So there's a lot that we do here. We have the whole program is designed on 12-step program. So it is a state affiliated and licensed facility. We are Joint Commission certified facility as well. So what we do is we do detoxification. RTC is residential treatment. We also have a PHP program. So that's like longer stay if someone needs our assistance. We also dual diagnosis, mental health, substance abuse, pretty much we treat addiction, but we do also detoxifications program.
Let's talk about dual diagnosis, because you were talking to me earlier. We might see someone living on the streets, and that might be a result of a lot of different things going on in their lives. And so here you really work to combat several different parts of what might have contributed to that.
And so a lot of time people would have underlying a mental condition will end up using substance abuse because it's untreated. So, or they will go off of their meds and use it. So we also kind of pay attention to all those scenarios, like to see what is possibly could be going on with them. And that's based on the doctors that we have, and we also have the therapist. We do psych evaluations on them. So very intense care to bring them back to living in a normal lifestyle.
And it's so important to have that support. If somebody watching maybe does know someone who could utilize these services, what's the best way for them to get in contact with you all?
Oh, they definitely can go on our website. It's rctreatmentcenter.com. We also have Instagram page and RC Treatment Center. On Facebook, also RC Treatment Center. And we definitely, it's to call 916-707-RC-DETOX.
Okay. We're really working on such incredible work here within the community. So coming up in the next half hour, we're going to talk a little bit more about the people behind me, what they do, and also more about the space, because this is here for anyone out there who could use this service. And we know that there is a great need right now, especially post-pandemic. So thank you so much, Anna. And we'll be back with much more coming up in the 9 o'clock hour, guys. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, Dina.